Reimu and Alban.
this
Or
mode.
Mr. Opomu.
Immediately stop.
And
Wow.
Who do you guys think? What do you guys think?
I forgot. Oh, look around. That was a lot of
Alright,
lag
mate.
too.
As you can see, we have a wild shooter staring at
Wait, there's
us.
a pizza on the
ground.
ground.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, you should grab some. That sounds like a speed
He
bump.
tries to grab it, but he moves. What's he doing?
Wait, what?
The anime of trap game was like.
Shu's still looking at the pizza. He's not moving at all. Oh,
He's already dead.
never mind. He started to make his move. Now.
I'm gonna make it!
Oh, boy.
Oh, shit.
But is Mister gonna make it? He's gonna turn around and turn back around again. Oh! Oh, and he does.
Mista! Mista! You made it! I'll kill you next round, okay?
What's wrong?
I'm so good right now.
Mr.
Oh, this